Hello everyone, this is Talkman, my name actually, and today I just want to come out and express my feeling. The recent days in India, from Ladakh, is we call Stopdan, and he has actually commented on the News, Tibetan, Indian TV. So here I really want to express my feeling. I've been watching this news very closely, and since he actually came out and talked about this Dalai Lama actually mentioned in Dalai Lama on the News, what I felt is very irresponsible and very unprofessional, the way he actually mentioning Dalai Lama's name on the News. And this, I saw this morning some video clips actually about him. He was apologizing, saying that he actually been to Dalai Lama's teaching, Kala Chakra teaching, and he said he's really apologizing about this, whatever he's mentioned. So, and he was also saying he was very worried about the Chinese troops, the military coming, army coming to the Ladakh's territory, Indian territory. And because of that, actually, he mentioned I kind of felt the way he's saying that he has to bring out Dalai Lama's name. So today, what I felt, when he actually mentioned Dalai Lama's name and this News, like political stage, why he actually bringing Dalai Lama's name card on this issue? Dalai Lama has nothing to do with anything about this. And what I felt, the Indian government is behind this tension, especially escalating this tension, and they're bringing Dalai Lama's name card on the table. And we all know Dalai Lama has been retired for years. He has been working so hard for olds like around the world, the people, for creating the peaceful mind and creating world peace. We all know that. I'm not going to go through a whole actually what he's doing. It's going to take too long. But I'm saying this, the way the Stopdan actually bringing the Dalai Lama's name card on the table, especially particular on this time. And this border tension is actually, Dalai Lama has nothing to do anything about this, nothing to do with this anything. This is especially Indian government has to come out, and Indian government has to protect the area. Indian government has to come out and put more army that area, protect the Ladakh, this border tension, make clear this. So in my mind, since he said about this, and actually why he's putting the table Dalai Lama's name card, is this something Indian government actually working behind him? I hope it's not. So we Tibetans, very grateful and very happy for Indian government what you done to the Tibetan people since 1950s, 59. I mean, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, all these like great leaders, Indian great leaders actually have done for the Tibetan people. Very helpful, very grateful we are. We're still. And Dalai Lama always talking about India around the world, saying that ancient knowledge thought, the Indian ancient knowledge thoughts, Nalanda tradition, and we actually preserving this culture. And it seemed like Indian government actually playing the game behind this Mr. Stopdan and sitting back in the corner somewhere and very quiet and not saying anything. If Indian government is not behind him, right? And please, I'm appealing this, Indian government should step in this and please say something about this and thoroughly investigate this. I hope Mr. Stopdan is not linked with China. So Indian government has a special responsible for the protecting Dalai Lama's legacy in India. You know what he has done. That's what I'm really appealing today. As a simple Tibetan who grew up in India, who born in India, who grew up in India, studied in India. And again, secondly, I would like to say again something here. And Ladakhi people, Rinpoche and Ladakhi people, I'm very grateful what you have done today. What are you doing right now? You are condemning this Pusatomden's comments. It's very grateful. I'm very happy for this, and thank you so much from my bottom of my heart. And secondly, again, I would like to hear recently, and this COVID-19 ongoing tension in the whole world, everybody's suffering at this time. And in some Tibetan Lama's name, Oyen Tobye, who lives in Bihar, Himachal, he actually also criticized Dalai Lama that he's destroying the Tibetan Buddhism. This is not really fair, the way he actually asks. Even Indian government knows Dalai Lama is preserving culture. He's like, see, ancient Indian Nalanda traditional, he preserving this culture, whole world. Everybody knows it, scientifically approved. And that's that time, especially particularly this time, and this who live in Himachal, the Oyen Tobye came out and saying to destroying Buddhist culture. So again, I'm really appeal to Indian government again today. Please step in and thoroughly investigate those people not linked with between China. This is really unfair. Indian government cannot stay this quietly. Please come out. And especially this time, I really want to thank you. I thank you for this loudspeaker who actually came out. He sent out the statement, and then asked the Himachal government to appeal. They appealed this. The Himachal government also come out and step in and really thoroughly investigate these things. So finally, I would like to say again, Indian government or Himachal government has a special responsible for this, to protecting Dalai Lama right now. So I'm appealing this again today, and please step in, thoroughly investigate. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.